trying to do Vlogmas. I'm at work. Let's see, I got my little vest on, my work vest. I'm ready to get it going. But I want to do Vlogmas. Also, hi everybody. This is Kim. I'm back again with another vlog. Thank you for watching all of my videos. We gonna keep this rolling and keep this pushing. I'm trying. YouTube is very hard. Very, very hard. Staying motivated, staying creative, staying productive YouTube is hard. But anyway, I'm going to do Vlogtober. At least I'm gonna try to do Vlogtober. Vlogtober is where you get a vlog every day of the month of October. I don't know if I could do that or not because I don't really have no exciting life, and y'all don't really watch my vlogs like that. No way. I wish that y'all did. Please do. But I'm gonna try. If not, I'm gonna try to do maybe 2 or 3 videos every week in the month of October. I'm gonna try. Like I said, I'm at work, y'all. That's why you keep seeing these lights, because of the buses is passing by. So y'all see, I bought these glasses, and I might do a review on these glasses. These are the Key Australia blue light glasses. So I probably could just tell y'all about them, I guess. But yeah, it's supposed to block the blue lights, like the lights that come from your computer. I'm testing them to see if it helps with like the LED light. I don't know if they do or they don't, but I want to see, like, while I'm driving, if it'll help like the headlights of cars from being so bright, because sometimes they kind of bother my eyes. So that's the reason why I'm wearing them this morning, just to kind of see if they work. I kind of think they do, but I'm not 100% sure, because I tested like one time and the lights did seem like they were a little dimmer. So yeah, I'm doing that. But I got my coffee, work stuff. I need to be getting my work bag together, which is this bag that has nothing in it. I normally put my purse in this bag. I got a hat in here. I normally just put my purse, which I'm carrying the Longchamp backpack. This thing is amazing. This Longchamp backpack is really, really good. I'm trying to get used to carrying a backpack. Trying my best to get used to. It's hard for me. A backpack is hard for me. I mean, I love this bag because it is so big, and I actually did a video on it, but I haven't uploaded yet. So yeah, Longchamp bag inside of my work bag. That's just because the bus, I carry 2 bags because the bus is so dirty on the floor. Even though I sweep almost every day, it's still just really just dirty. I mean, not like super dirty, but, and then also I put my speaker inside of here as well. And then this is just my bag that I hang on the little turn signal. Oh shoot. All right, y'all, I'll be back in a little bit. This is just my day. The time is like almost 6:30. So yeah, this is just my morning. Let's get it going. shine, y'all. Camera.
Oh, that's hot.
YouTube. What you gotta say?
That's it. Hey, y'all already know what it is. If you don't know me, you gon' know me. You hear me? Hey, follow me somewhere. Follow me this way.
I just made it home, y'all. If y'all ever tried these Morningstar Farm garden patties, these are pretty good. These are pretty good. And I decided to buy 2. I guess this one's supposed to be like, I guess like a grilled patty. So I got that. Went to Dillberg's. And I've been trying out this new water, which is called, well, I don't know if it's new, but new to me. It's called Hint, and I got the watermelon flavor. I bought 2 of those. 2 of the watermelon one flavor, and then 1 of the apple. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm getting ready to cook me some lunch. Also, I bought this coconut rice because Uncle Ben's actually make a coconut rice that I really like, but they was out of it. The store was out of it. So look at y'all. Isn't that kind of cool, y'all? I'm just saying. I'm just messing around. But, yeah. This is all I bought from the grocery store. Yup. Now, let's get lunch going. Way to work. I gotta figure out, I need to get something for my car so I could mount my my GoPro, because I got the GoPro Session. It's like a really small camera, and I know I've done said this before in my vlogs, but it's a GoPro Session. It's like a little small cube, and I put it on this little hand tripod thing. But sometimes it could be a little headache to hold, especially when I'm driving. I really want to mount it, but it shakes a little bit in this little window mount that I have. So that's the reason why I'm not putting it in there. And I'm actually watching myself, as y'all see, from my phone. Yeah. So I'm on my way back. Like I said, I'm doing Vlogtober, which means that I'm gonna try to vlog every day. I don't think I'm gonna vlog every single day, but I'm gonna try to get it out at least 2 or 3 times a week, hopefully. I've been really slacking on my videos, y'all. I gotta do better. I have to do better, because I really enjoy doing YouTube. I really enjoy it, but I just haven't found my, what they call niche, you know, where you kind of, you talk about one particular thing, and it might be beauty, it might be like reviewing hair, things like that. And I do that. I review like wigs and weave and different makeup that comes out. But I just really don't, and I think I've said this a number of times on my videos, on my vlogs or whatever. I just really don't want my channel to be like that. I'm into a lot of different things. I like trying new things, you know, so I really don't want my channel to be strictly about hair or beauty or things like that, you know. I don't want my channel to be like that. As y'all see, I got the light blue glasses back on. Why did I say light blue? They are called blue light glasses. I actually like them. They look pretty nice, right? As you can see the glare, you can see that purple, or you probably can't. Yeah, I probably can't see that. But yeah, I really like them. But anyway, yeah, I really want to vlog, and I really want my vlogging to really take off. I'm not sure why it's not. I don't know. I guess my channel is just not big enough for it to take off. So I'm just gonna keep trying. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing, I don't know why I want to say Vlogmas, which is December, but this is Vlogtober. Vlogtober, meaning vlogging all of October. Tomorrow is Damani's birthday. My daughter. She been on the vlogs she don't really be on there like that, but every once in a while she'll get on. But yeah, if y'all don't know, I have 2 sons and 2 daughters. Yeah, y'all like this hat? Queen bee. See? Yeah. But yeah, and then I got on my, y'all see what I got on. You see I got the little Black Panther shirt on today, and y'all can't see my shoes, but I got on some black and yellow. I have on some black and yellow Nikes, foam posits Nikes. They actually I think they call these the Wu-Tang Nikes, but I don't know. They call anything that's black and yellow Wu-Tang. So yeah, that's what I got. I'm done. My day is done. I'm at home. It's 7 o'clock, and yeah, I guess I'm gonna go in here and cook some dinner. Damon probably cooks, so I don't have to worry about dinner sometimes. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave comments at the bottom. Tell me what kind of vlogs y'all want, because I don't know. Just help me, y'all. Help me. Help me be creative. Help me to stay motivated. Help me to keep pushing forward in this whole, I'm sorry if I'm shaking, in this whole YouTube thing, you know, because I do want to be successful at it, and I want to be great at it because I like doing it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up and leave comments. I see y'all in the next one. I see y'all tomorrow, hopefully. All right, peace.